Fine, I'm lost, look at my eyes, and I am feeling cold like a solid block of ice. I tried to aim so high but can't surpass Mariah. I got the energy but I'm stuck between the wires. Like I am the lion, I am the biggest beast. But why are you all laughing? Just guess it's a different tree. I hear you mumbling and tripping and then standing on your feet. I hear you clapping and then cheering on a whole different feast. Let it be. So let me sing songs. The madness on your brain will soon turn into pain. So wait on the raindrops. Sing songs. The madness on your brain will soon turn into pain. So wait on the I'm singing songs for the better. A simple melody could be the right tempo to turn up the mood and burn all the negativity that isn't heard. Word. So first, retire all your ambitions, destroy your inhibitions. The mission is forget the attention that you get. Hold up, you need no crowd. Just stand and don't give up and just make your mama proud. So let me sing songs. The madness on your brain will soon turn into pain. So wait on the raindrops. Sing songs. The madness on your brain will soon turn into pain. So wait on the raindrops.